Good morning, class 10. Today is 3rd September. I will continue with the lesson number 23, heights and distances. Exercise 23, question number 16. The question 16 says that from a window A, this is a window A, that is 10 meter above the ground. This is 10 meter above the ground. Clear? The angle of elevation of the top of tower C. This angle of elevation is given to us x degree. This point C is the top of the tower. Now, the angle of depression of the foot of the tower D. This is the foot of the tower is given to us y degree. Now we have to find out the height CD. So let us take this height CD as capital H. We have to find in meter. In the question, the value of 10x degree is given to us 5/2 and 10y degree is given to us 1/4. This is 10 AB. So let us take this point E. So this ED will also be 10 meter. And let us take CE as small h. Clear? So first of all, we will take triangle AED. This is right angle triangle. Here we will take tan y is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is ED over base AE. Now, tan y value is given in the question, that is 1/4. ED from the diagram is 10 meter. AE is not given to us. Now we will cross multiply. Therefore, AE is equal to 40 meter. Now we will take the second triangle AEC. This is also a right angle triangle. 10x is equal to perpendicular over base. 10x degree, perpendicular is CE over base is AE. The value of 10x is given in the question, that is 5/2. We will substitute. CE we have taken as small h in the question. Now AE we have calculated it just now, 40. Therefore h will be equal to 40 multiplied with 5 divided by 2. So small h will come out to be 100 meter. Now what we have to find? We have to find CD. That is capital H is equal to CE plus ED. What is CE? That is small h. Small h is 100 meter plus ED is 10 meter. So your CD or capital H is coming out to be 110 meter. So this is the answer of question number 16. Now question number 15. The question 15 says that in the adjoining figure, a man stands on the ground at point A. Here is a man. And he's standing on the ground. Clear? Which is on the same horizontal plane as B. The foot of the vertical pole is BC. This is your pole, BC. The height of the pole is 10 meter. This height of the pole is given in the question, 10 meter. The man's eyes is 2 meter above the ground. So this is 2 meter. Got it? This is a man's eye. 2 meter from the ground. He observes the angle of elevation of C, that is the top of the pole, as this is a top angle of elevation is x degree. Now, where in the question tan x degree value is given to us, it is 2/5. And we have to find the distance AB in meter. Now, this is 2 meter AD, so BE will also be 2 meter, opposite side of rectangle. Now, this is 90 degree, clear? This BC is given to us 10, BE is 2 meter, therefore CE will be equal to BC minus BE. So CE will be 10 minus 2. So CE will come out to be as 8 meter. This is 8 meter. Now we will find out DE. So you will take the triangle DEC. Triangle DEC. This is right angle at C point E. So tan x degree will be equal to perpendicular is CE. And the base is DE. Tan x degree value is given to us, that is 2/5. So you have to substitute. CE we have already calculated as 8 meter. And we will find it out the DE. So therefore DE will be equal to, you will take it on the left hand side, that is 8 multiplied by 5/2. Now you will simplify. So DE will come out to be 20 meter. This is DE. DE will be equal to the AB. Clear? So AB is equal to DE. So DE is 20. Therefore AB will be equal to 20 meter. So this is the answer of the question number 15.